500 yards and continue to follow the B4.
Oh, you come on through, you prick. What's that sign saying? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Stations, stadium, busy cities, we need this technology to give our customers a much more reliable experience, so it helps us relieve that congestion we've all experienced, our smartphones slowing down in those busy places.
The Men's Cricket World Cup is underway at the Oval in London. The first match, England lost the toss and are batting first against South Africa.
Now take the second left.
Ha! That's tidied up. What a genius.
Please turn right after.
Educate me then, sir, because I want to go back to the beginning of the story and I want to follow it all the way through and try and learn from you, and I think we can learn a huge amount from you. But let's start with that lesson that you're talking about. How should adults, I know it sounds so basic and it probably sounds
Radio 2 Piano Room, a small knot of musicians with us here, ready to perform, and it's an absolute pleasure to welcome to the Radio 2 Piano Room this morning. Wonderful.
He used to be a rally driver, and I am the opposite of a petrol head. I don't really know what I'm talking about when they start looking at me. Guess what you got? You driving there? You driving outside?
Whoa! Fucking hell! What the
And continue to follow the B4200.
Hi, you've reached voicemail of Richard Taylor, who currently unavailable. If you'd like to leave me a message,
depression, mental illness, talking about himself very personally. It's on BBC Two tonight.
On BBC Two.
Oh, good
This
one.
illness affects millions of us, but is often invisible.
A personal journey into depression.
Oh dear. Oh, you come on through. Thank you. There's one of them.
Now turn right.
I have never seen such an ugly car in all my life. Jesus.
Now take the second right into the destination road.